Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss on up truck accident liar. The United Parcel Services operates nationwide, delivering packages and documents in their familiar brown UPS truck to millions of customers every day. While most deliveries are completed without incident, some result in devastating accidents that leave victims with expensive medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering and other damages. Liability and insurance consideration in these cases can be more complex than imagined. UPS drivers are employees and any damages they cause during their duties is ultimately carried by the UPS company. Since the damages and insurance limits in UPS accidents are usually high, victims often get paid a settlement in the hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. In the other words, the stakes are high. At the law, brother, our award-winning attorney represent personal injury and wrongful death victims of UPS accidents in California. If your accident happens due to the negligence of a UPS driver or the company itself, it is highly advised that you consult with us to learn more about your legal options for recovery. We provide our services on a contingency fee basis, meaning you do not pay unless we win. Call us today for a free confidential consultation. Every year, UPS drivers travel millions of miles, so it is not surprising that accidents occur. What sets UPS accident apart from regular car accident is the massive size and weight of the average delivery vehicles. A typical UPS delivery truck weighs between 16,000 and 24,000 pounds. This equates to a lot of force being transferred in a collision, which explain the often devastating outcomes of such incidents. In response to the dangers presented by the trucks, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration and the United States Department of the Transportation passed rules and regulations for maintaining the safety standards of a large tractor, trailer, and other commercial vehicles traveling across the nation and in local Los Angeles areas neighborhoods. These regulations include: number 1, driver training requirements; number 2, truck repair and maintenance requirements; number 3, mandatory driver records for hours of services; number 4, drug and alcohol prevention programs for drivers. Some causes of UPS truck accident. In large vehicles centric cities like Los Angeles, accident occurrence rates are higher than the national average for all types of vehicles, including UPS delivery truck. Due to the exceptional level of traffic and add on to that the pressure UPS drivers face daily to deliver packages to the recipients as fast as possible, and it is far from the shocking to see why UPS accidents occur. In most cases, fault can be attributed to negligent behavior on the part of the UPS delivery truck drivers, such as: point number 1, reversing their vehicles carelessly after passing their destinations; point number 2, making fast left turns or braking suddenly; point number 3 and last, failing to yield when merging back into traffic after completing a delivery. So thanks for watching this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative and interesting videos. We will soon meet.